is lengthy. Many think that it goes directly from the turbine to the plate that is powered. This is not so. Here's the process broken down from radiant energy to electrical energy. Radiant energy is produced by the sun, and as we all know, the sun's rays are very hot. The radiant energy transforms to thermal energy. The thermal energy is made up of heat. The thermal energy then heats the blades up and the pitch. This is the point that the thermal energy begins to turn into mechanical energy. The blades and the pitch transform, and that triggers the gearbox from this step. The wind mechanical energy turns into turbine mechanical energy. From the gearbox, it travels to a transformer. A transformer changes the wattage for its final destination so it can handle it. After that step, the transformer energy passes through our electrical company, and then it is measured so they know that how much to charge you or how much money to give you back. The last step is for the mechanical energy to change into electrical energy. In this process, it travels through the power lines, ending up in its home or the final destination. It was a long journey, but in the end, it has many positive impacts.
Many people in our school district believe that alternative energy is too expensive, but according to our data, it's not. Based on our research, the estimated cost of a wind turbine is $750,000. This is a lot of money, but with the turbine, we will save an estimated amount of $121,000 a year. According to our calculations, the wind turbine will save $3.6 million in the next 30 years. As a result, the wind turbine will be paid off in about 6 years. Clearly, if we install a wind turbine, our school district will save a tremendous amount of money than without one.
There are many positive impacts of installing a turbine. Iowa is one of the leading states in producing wind energy. There are many government incentives to help pay the cost of a turbine. If our school needs help getting funding, we can get a 30% tax credit for our school. Many facilities are offered this when purchasing a wind turbine. The max credit that is offered is $500 per kilowatt. To apply for a grant, you must sign up before the end of December 31st, 2016. Clearly, wind energy has great environmental impacts also. Using wind energy is better than fossil fuels. Based on our research, wind energy is becoming more popular. By the end of 2014, Iowa will be producing more than 5,000 megawatts. According to our research, by using 1,000 megawatts of wind energy, it will offset more than 3.4 million tons of CO2. Another advantage is that wind energy creates more than $500 million in local tax revenue. The last advantage of getting a wind turbine is that it will create more than 2,000 jobs in Iowa. In the end, wind turbines not only benefit our community, but it will also help get our country out of the recession.
Other schools have effectively used wind energy in many ways. First, we have the educational factor. We can use it to teach the students across the campus. We can teach math, science, and engineering. Also, we can save a lot of money with a wind turbine. It is exempt from taxes, and it will gain you a lot of money after the first 6 years. Wind also never runs out. The sun is the power of the wind, so as long as we have that sun, we have the wind. Although getting a wind turbine is a big process, it will be worthwhile. You need a cost analysis and demographs and wind assessments so you can put it in the most effective place. Community support can't hurt either. You actually could get donations to help with the cost. So now you can tell we have many ways to use a wind turbine to our advantage.